we are going to learn how to solve a one-step equation. There is a system that you use to do all of these. The first thing you do is draw a line. X plus 2 equals 8. Put the equal sign at the bottom of the line and then highlight the variable. This is the thing that we want to get all by itself. It's called isolate the variable. Since on the left side of this line that I drew, I still have a plus 2, I have to undo plus 2 by thinking about the opposite of adding 2, which is subtract 2. So if I subtract 2 from both sides, now I have x by itself because positive 2 and negative 2 cancel out, and 8 take away 2 is 6, and we're done. Let's do that with x take away 2 equals 8. So I do the same thing. I draw a line. My x is on the left, so I bring my x down there with my equal sign that's right on that line, and I highlight my variable. Now I have to think what is stuck next to that variable that I don't want there, and how do I undo it? If I have a takeaway 2, the opposite is adding 2, which will cancel that out, and it's an equation, so I have to do that on both sides of the line. I have x all by itself, and x equals whatever 8 plus 2 is, which is 10. Let's change up a little bit. We're going to do some multiplication and division. So I do the same thing, draw a line, put my x down here, put my equal sign on the line, highlight my variable. This time I have to think, what does 2 and x mean when they are next to each other like that? It means to multiply. So the opposite of multiply times 2 is divide both sides by 2. Notice we're not taking away 2x. In these other ones, we did the opposite of add 2 or subtract 2. Here we have multiplication. We want to keep the x. So I'm not going to divide by 2x or take away 2x. I'm just going to try to make my coefficient a 1. And whenever you have a numerator and a denominator that are the same, you get 1 because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So x equals 8 divided by 2, which is 4. Last one, follow the pattern, follow the steps. Draw the line, the x is on the left, put the equal sign. Ask yourself this question, what does x over 2 mean? It means x divided by 2. The opposite of divide by 2 is multiply. Be very, very careful about where you put that multiply by 2. It's very important that you put the 2 up at the top so you can cancel diagonally. Now you're just left with x over 1, which is 1x, and it equals 8 times 2, which is 16. One step closer to earning your agent status and your badge.